Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, how are you? You guys know I always do this now. I don't know what it is. Only when I come on camera though, or when I'm trying to think or something. I don't know. But anyway, you guys, so today I am at Firehouse subs. I did a Firehouse sub video before, and I did it on the same exact thing that I'm going to do today, but it's different. But it's kind of the same thing, but it's different. So they have a new chicken Parmesan meatball sub. Chicken Parmesan meatball sub. Okay, you guys? Last time I did the Firehouse subs video, I did the pepperoni pizza meatball sub. I had to look at my phone, y'all, because I didn't remember what it is. So, pepperoni pizza meatball sub. And today, I'm going to have the chicken Parmesan meatball sub. So you guys, let's go in and pick it up. And I just got a drink. I got a small sub and just the sub. That's all I got. But yeah, I'm going to pick it up and let's see how it tastes. It seems like it'll be good, hopefully. Hopefully the chicken meatballs don't taste like, I mean, I guess it's chicken meatballs, but I hope it don't taste like cheap like the actual meatballs did. We shall see. Okay, you guys, I'm so irritated because, like, what? When do a sub ever come in this? So I got a small. I'm thinking a small is like a small. No, this is literally half of a small. Like, seriously, like, I'm so annoyed. Like, look. This is half of a small. What? Like, what the heck? This is a small? And it's 6. Wait a minute. Like, this was like, it's not on here. But I ordered it online, you guys. Because had I known it was going to be this small, I would never have gotten this size. So, this right here, y'all. This little small, I think is $6.49. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna eat it, but y'all, I might go somewhere else and get something else to eat because, like, what is this? Like, this is half of a sub. This is not a small. Would have been at least like this long. Medium, large. Oh my god. That first bite, I did not get like any meat. Just got bread and cheese. I might have to go somewhere else, y'all. So I wanted to do my video today on what's that place called? Sonic, because Sonic got some weird mess again. Y'all know last time Sonic had the what's it called? The peanut butter bacon hamburger or cheeseburger, peanut butter bacon cheeseburger. So now they got maybe it's a barbecue pork hamburger. It's like pork, like pulled pork and hamburger. But y'all know I don't like the hamburger patties. That's the only reason why I didn't go to Sonic. So I chose this. $6 for this. Oh my god. They know they need to be shut the whole building down. Shut the whole building down because $6 for half of a small sub. Got a Sprite. It's good. Let's see. Still got bread. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. So, I've been so lazy. I've been did 2 videos like a while ago. And I still haven't edited them. I still haven't posted them. I still haven't edited them. But they will be up before this video. I think it's some nachos that I did. I made some nachos at home. And what's the other one? I did the Burger King candied bacon. I'm still trying to decide on if I'm going to post it. Just depends on how the editing situation comes out. So, yeah. So, if you guys see the candied bacon Burger King video, I decided to post it. If you don't see it before this video, I decided not to post it. Why is it so dark looking? Anyway. Okay, that's chicken meatball. Y'all, they make me never want to order from them again. I mean, I'm not going to not order from them. Like, if they have something that looks good, I'm going to order it. Why my video looks so dark? Yeah, I don't know why my video keep looking so dark. But yeah, this is crazy. A small sub can fit in here. Like, subs are... A sub is never supposed to be small enough to fit in this type of container. That's ridiculous. Firehouse subs. Y'all gotta do better. They toasted the bread really good. This is like a chicken meatball. I think I like this one better than the other one that they had. The only thing that made the other one like a plus for me was the pepperonis. I could have ate this with pepperonis too. I feel like they cheated me out of this. Like, I don't know. Woo! Y'all, that Sprite good. I knew that Sprite was gonna be good because they had the same type of machine Wingstop had. Yeah, Wingstop. And the last time I had Wingstop, I had a Sprite from there. And it was real good. So I was like, let me get a Sprite. So y'all, Valentine's Day is coming up. Today is what? The 12th. I kind of want to do a video dedicated to just doing all like Valentine's Day theme type foods. I know Krispy Kreme got like heart donuts, heart, like different flavors. I want to say that Hardee's had like some type of heart-shaped biscuits. Who else? Cottage Inn Pizza. They had like a heart-shaped pizza. Well, I'm done. That's how little that sub was. They give you a pickle spear as well. I love pickles. It tastes so much better with the pickle. So I've already been drinking like a Valentine's Day drink. I done had like 3 of them, y'all, from Starbucks. It's a chocolate covered strawberry. Am I saying that right? Strawberry chocolate covered strawberry frappuccino. So good, but I do customize mine. I don't remember my exact customizations, but I do know I get extra strawberry puree in it. But it's good. Somebody else got a strawberry covered milkshake. Is it Sonic or is it somebody else? I don't remember. So y'all, I'm done. So when I go home, I'm gonna edit 3 videos. I don't want to do it because I like the order. I like to edit 1 video a day, not 2 or 3. So yeah, you guys, I'm trying to see if I want to get something else, because like that was like nothing. I actually still wanted to try Chekcers seasoned fry chicken tenders, I think it's called, and I might go there. I don't know, we shall see. Y'all, is that a robot taking orders? I mean, y'all can't see, but what is that? Fry seasoned mozzarella sticks. Oh, y'all, we gotta try that. We gotta try that.
Welcome. What can I get you today?
Can I get the fry seasoned mozzarella sticks?
4 or 6 mozzarella sticks.
4.
Okay.
Can I also get...
What else can I get you?
Can I also get the fry seasoned chicken tenders, classic?
3, 5, or 8 piece tenders.
3.
Which dipping sauce?
Ranch?
Got it. Do you want to make it a combo?
No.
Anything else?
Can I try your Nerds Layered Slushie?
Okay. Regular or large slushie?
Regular.
What else can I get you?
That'll be all.
We will have your total at the window.
Okay, guys, my battery about to die, and I feel like my other battery is dead too, I think. That's what I'm feeling like right now. So, as y'all can see, I was only supposed to get the fry seasoned chicken tenders, but I ended up getting a new slushie, and I seen that they had 2 more other new slushies, but this one seems to be the newest, the Nerds one. So like when you open it up, I don't even like slushies, y'all. I do drink them, but I don't care for them. Yeah, so I got the nerds in here. I kind of wanted the strawberry and cream. Yeah, I kind of wanted the strawberry and cream, but I didn't see it until the last minute. Let's try this slushy. It's actually good. Okay. I can taste like the orange cream, like slushy. Okay, y'all, so which one is these? The chicken tenders or the fries? I mean, the chicken tenders are the mozzarella sticks. Theirs is skinny. If these are the mozzarella sticks, they're skinny. Mozzarella sticks. Let's try it with the ranch. I never had mozzarella sticks this skinny. I think I like it like that. So it has the fry seasoning on it. Like, you know, Chekcers fries have a certain type of seasoning on it. It's the same seasoning on the mozzarella sticks. And on my chicken tenders that I got. And as y'all can see, or I don't know if y'all saw, but you can get the fry seasoned chicken tenders like in buffalo style as well. Did y'all see that? That was like a robot taking my order. Like, they don't even have to take orders here. They just collect the money and give you your food. I like that. That's deep. I ain't never seen that. I ain't never seen it. It was cool. So far, everything's so good. I will get this again. Y'all gotta try this. The slushy layered slushy nerds, some type of nerds. Y'all, let's try these chicken tenders with the fry seasoning. They look old. Let me try it without the ranch first. They're really hot. Like, they're fresh, but at the same time, they look old. But they're really hot. Looks like that. Oh, it's hot. Maybe it is fresh. Or maybe some of them are fresh. Oh, that's hot. Maybe it is. I don't know if I'm really getting the fry seasoning taste for the chicken tenders. Ooh, it's hot. But I feel like I tasted more on these, the mozzarella sticks. I really like these mozzarella sticks. I could have got a large. Cause I just knew it wasn't gonna be that good, but it is really good, y'all. I don't really like slushies because most of the time when I get slushies, they not sweet enough. So good. Let's dip. They're okay. I like the mozzarella sticks better. Woo, hot. Y'all, I'm eating my last mozzarella stick, and I'm gonna save these other 2 tenders for my son, because now I'm satisfied. I only needed a little more to fill that void from half the sandwich that I was missing. Okay. Y'all ain't tell me that a small was that small. That's an extra small. Oh, that is so good. Y'all, so my camera getting hot. I really should invest in another camera with my income tax check. So good. So mozzarella sticks, so good. Alright. Before my camera cut off on me, I want to rate the sub and the Chekcers. So, I'm going to give that sub the chicken Parmesan Meatball sub from Firehouse subs. Flavor wise, I'm going to give it a 5.5. And y'all know, just by it being so small, they ain't playing when they say it's a small. Because that mud is a small. It's a smally mall, extra small. But anyway, Chekcers, the mozzarella sticks, I like them. I'm gonna give them a 8 out of 10. They was good. But I never had them so skinny. This right here, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. It's good. So good. Then you got the little nerd pieces that's falling into it. The chicken tender, the fry seasoned chicken tenders, I'm gonna give that like a 6.5. No, a 6, because this is not what I expected. I thought it was gonna be better. I thought it was gonna like really taste like the fries from Chekcers. It don't taste like it to me. The mozzarella sticks taste like it more than the chicken tenders. Camera cut off on me before I could end the video because it's hot. Anyway, so if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I hope you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss an upload whenever I upload a video here on my channel. And as to everyone else who's been here, thank you for stopping by watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.